Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pleasanton local and long distance movers near me. When you need a good and cheap Pleasanton moving company, it's time to hire 3 Movers. We offer professional local and long distance moving services for homeowners and business owners. Whether you're going away to college, moving across the country, or just going down the road, we are here to help. With the right long distance moving company, you won't have anything to worry about. Our movers make it easy for you to gain the peace of mind you need when moving to the next state over or across the country. We even offer the following options for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not easy to decide to hire a California moving company for a local move. However, after you see the pros of this decision, it will make more sense. With a professional moving company, you save time and you won't need to lift anything on moving day. A trusted team will take care of it all for you. Hiring a good moving company like 3 Movers will help you get settled into your new home sooner. Whether you're moving a small apartment or a large home, we can make it happen faster. A move that will take you a few days or even a week, we can do in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pleasanton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.